Hello friends, in this video we're going to learn how to register in the CoinCorner Exchange. When you enter the website, click on register, then we enter the registration section. You enter your name, last name, email address, plus password, which I recommend you to use uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, plus minimum 8 characters or more. Repeat your password for confirmation. Check this box for agreeing to the terms and conditions of the website. Check this box for confirming that you're not a robot and click on submit. We're going to receive an email. In order to verify our email, go to your email, click on CoinCorner, and to verify your email, click on verify email. Enter the country of residence, address, extra address, city, postcode, and phone number. Finally, after entering all the informations, click on submit. Then we enter the verification section, which in the next video, we're gonna teach you how to verify your account in CoinCorner Exchange. Good luck.